This video will go over an example from Unit K, Concept 11, which is talking about evaluating word problems that deal with arithmetic and geometric series and sequences. So our problem reads, the Avengers cast visits the Empire State Building in New York and drops a penny off the edge of the highest balcony. The distance the penny will fall at is 10 feet the first second, 25 feet the next second, 40 feet the third second, and so on in an arithmetic sequence. What is the total distance the object will fall in 8 seconds? Okay, so right off the bat, we have plenty of info to solve this problem. Our first term is, for the first second, the penny drops 10 feet. And for the second it drops at 25 feet. So what we want to do is we want to find our common difference, or our D, and we're going to do that by using the a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times D formula. We plug in what we have, and I decided to use it's almost like a point 225, like an x and y coordinate. Anyway, I use that substitute in this equation. So you get 25 equals 10 plus 2 minus 1 times D, and that makes 1. So 25 equals 10 plus D. You subtract 10 from both sides, and your common difference is 15 feet. Now that we have our common difference, we want to find the general term. That way we can find how many feet at any time the penny will drop at. So we're going to use the same formula and just plug in what we have now and keep n as our variable. So a sub n equals 10 plus n minus 1 times 15, and that becomes 10 plus 15n minus 15, which is a sub n equals 15n minus 5. Excuse me. And so now the problem is asking, what is the total distance the object will fall in 8 seconds? So right now we want to find how many feet the penny will drop at the 8th second. So we're just going to plug in 8 into the formula we just found, 15n minus 5. So 15 times 8 is 120, subtract 5 is 115. So at the 8th second, this penny drops 115 feet. So, but that's not exactly what it's asking. It's asking what is the total distance the object will fall in 8 seconds. So we actually have to use a different formula, which is actually very simple. It's S sub n equals n over 2 times the quantity, or when you add these two, the first term plus the last term. And basically, when we plug in what we have, it's S sub 8 equals a over 2 times the quantity of 10 plus 115. So that becomes 4 times 125, and the total distance the penny will fall at in 8 seconds is 500 feet. Thank you for watching.